Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Tuesday, December the 15th, 2020. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting the Aussie USD analysis.
The Australian dollar slid down against the US dollar on Tuesday, decreasing the price of the Aussie US pair to less than 76 cents ahead of the release of Australian employment change news.
Now this pair, the Aussie US, is currently trading around the 75.34 level. The Aussie US might come across the following support levels. Looking at the chart, we can see support 1 is at 74.28, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci percent level. Second support is at 74.04, which is the low of December the 9th. And finally, the third support is at 73.38, a key horizontal support level.
And on the upside, the price of the Aussie US pair is likely to come across several resistance levels. Looking at the chart carefully, the first resistance will be 0.7676, which is the high of June 1st, 2018. The second resistance will be 77 cents even, which is the psychological number. And the third resistance will be 0.7765, which is the horizontal resistance level.
Now, the Australian employment change news might affect this pair, and so the Australian Bureau of Statistics plans to release these numbers concerning the Australian employment change on Thursday, December the 17th. According to economists, the Australian employment change news reached a reading of 50k in November as compared to 178.8k in the previous month.
The Australian employment change stats represents the prevailing condition of job market in Australia over the given time. It reflects a change in the numbers of people having jobs in hand. Higher numbers mean a higher rate of employment, whereas decreasing stats show more number of people have no job. Generally speaking, increasing numbers suggest a bullish market for the Aussie US pair ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, given the macroeconomic outlook of this pair over the past few days, selling this pair around the current levels might be a worthwhile trading position in the short to medium term trading. Now let's move on to the US Swiss analysis.
The US dollar rose against the Swiss Franc on Tuesday, increasing the price of the Swiss Franc pair to more than 88, ahead of the release of Swiss National Bank interest rate decision news.
This pair, the US Swiss, is currently trading around the 88.64 level. Looking at the chart closely, we can see the following resistance levels. So at resistance 1, we have the 88.73, which is the immediate trend line resistance. Second resistance is at 89 even, a psychological number, and finally the third resistance is at 89.82, the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement.
On the downside, the price of the US Swiss pair may find some critical support levels near the listed price below. The first support will be 0.8848, which is the major horizontal support. And second support will be 88 even, which is the psychological spot. The third support will be 0.8772, which is the lower trendline arm.
Okay, so for this pair, we are looking at the Swiss National Bank interest rate decision.
Being an independent central bank, the Swiss National Bank is obliged by the country's constitution to devise, conduct, and oversee national monetary policies acting in the best interest of the country. The main objective of the bank is to bring and maintain financial stability inside the country. Therefore, the bank raises or cuts interest rate to balance the impact of inflation. If the bank adopts a hawkish approach towards the country's inflationary outlook and raises interest rates, it is considered positive for the Swiss economy. Generally speaking, higher readings suggest a bearish market for the US Swiss ahead and vice versa.
That's right. Look, in conclusion, considering the overall price movement of this pair over the past few days, selling the US Swiss pair around the current levels might be a sensible trading decision in the short to medium term trading. As always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
That's right. And also don't forget to like our Facebook page and our Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Forex Decoded. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.